how to fix Minecraft stuttering. Let me move into one of the article which is gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So you can see this is one of the article which is gonna help you out to fix your issue. So the very first thing you wanna do is to install the latest gamepads and ensure your operating system is up to date. Beside that, you should check Minecraft's minimum requirements and see if your device is powerful enough to run on the game. If it doesn't, there is no surprise the stuttering happens. Now the next thing is to make sure the Minecraft is using the dedicated GPU. So what you're going to do is, first of all, right-click your desktop and select Display Settings from the menu. In Display Settings, scroll down the page and select Graphic Settings, and then click Browse to add the executable file of Minecraft. After that, click on Options. In the pop-up window, select High Performance and then click on Save. Once done, run Minecraft again and see if the stuttering issue has been fixed. Now the next thing you want to do is update your graphic driver. Minecraft is a graphic-intensive game, so your graphic card is essential for its performance. You cannot have an outdated or faulty driver on your graphic card, since this is usually what causes stuttering in Minecraft. To update your graphic driver, there are two ways you can try manually and automatically. In order to update your graphic driver manually, you have to move into the manufacturer's website for your graphic card and searching for the most recent correct driver. Be sure to choose only drivers that are compatible with your Windows version. Now the next thing you can try doing is lower your render distance. In order to do that, run Minecraft on your computer and then click on Options. Then click Video Settings, and then you can lower the render distance according to your need. After that, your issue might get fixed and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Minecraft stuttering. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.